A one-eyed chihuahua, old chihuahua, is sitting here barking at me. Hi, buddy. Please go home. His hackles are up. Oh, I know. You're tough. Oh, he's coming after me. One hour, 10 minutes. And I got 49.4. Doesn't look like it's going to go up. 49.4 volts. I've been kind of heavy with the throttle on this ride just because of the off-roading. There's a man-made lake up here for rich people. So they just put up a whole fence around the property and fill it full of water and say, hey, we're gonna make a man-made lake around our gated community. About every 50 feet there's one of these too. Private property, no trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. No dogs. If you don't like dogs, then I don't like you. Just kidding, but kind of not. But as I was saying, I expect them to put up a really ugly fence. Oh yeah, there's the Jurassic Park truck. One of the few. One of the few that's around here. There's a red and white Jurassic Park Jeep that I see tooling around Layton. There was Umbrella Corporation Jeep that I just saw today as I was getting some coffee. Just funny, just because I don't think a lot of people know what Umbrella Corp is. I know if you play Resident Evil, then you do, but if you ask your average person, they're not going to be like, oh yeah, Umbrella Corp, I know what they are. Hey, trees. These trees need to be planted. They are looking like, maybe not so much. A few of them look a little worse for wear. And we're back here. No, wait. This isn't that place. This is not the bike trail. Now I know where I'm at. Let's regroup. I don't like this roundabout because there's like 5 connecting streets and it's kind of wonky shaped, and so people kind of don't look. I lost some PSI in the front. It was 25 when I started, and now it's 23. But oddly, the rear tire has gained 1 PSI. Probably because my fat butt's on it. Home of the Titans. A little confused. There's a play place over there. Let's head on over. Church at school? In Utah there is. What I'm a little confused about is this is a high school. What's with the little play place for children? And can students use it? Good question. Maybe it's for staff? Like childcare for staffing? Or shoot, childcare for students. I don't know. But yes, seminary. It has to be off school grounds, but nonetheless, church at school. This is a Strode. This is a 45 mile per hour, has a bike lane, but as a biker you do not feel comfortable using that bike lane. I feel sort of comfortable because I'm on an e-bike, but nonetheless, dude, watch out. As I was saying, you don't feel comfortable riding it. I'm glad for these bike trails though. I wish there was more bike trails around my area because I've kind of tapped out the ones that I have, and they kind of crisscross everywhere. There's not like a central, there's a central bike lane that goes north to south, but that's about it. Like there's one main bike lane in all of northern Utah, which seems kind of insane when you're trying to get people on bikes. But half the roads don't have bike lanes. The other half do have bike lanes, but it's so sporadic that it's not like you can count on it and go down a road and not expect to get smacked by a car. And the problem with these bike lanes, sure, there's a big bike lane going down the road here, but it's on the left-hand side of this road if you're going this way, if you're going east. So at these type of intersections, I'm on the left-hand side, and really, dude, you're on the left-hand side. So intersections like this are a little bit dangerous. And there we go. Another reason why I want to get a full face helmet. birdies. When I'm riding, I don't really care about brake squeal, but when I'm editing my videos, it's like nails on a chalkboard. So I apologize. Nice to see friendly faces on the trail. Big smiles. How you doing? That was not a friendly face. Oh, whew. This place is so overgrown with trees. The roots are going up underneath the cement, making all these bumps. Not a big deal when you're walking, but when you're on a bike, it's like going over speed bumps. Not a lot of e-bikes on this trip. As I've been driving around the last few days, I've seen a lot of people on e-bikes, rad bikes, a few hay bikes. It's the first time I've seen a folding hay bike in person. The guy rode by me. I've seen some electrics, but none on this trip. I don't know what he said. I never understood why people yell out of cars when you're driving by. Because half the time I can't even understand them. Is what I heard. Well, this is the home stretch. Thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed, liking the amount of people that are leaving comments now. Not like jerks or anything like that, but leaving great comments. But yeah, thank you. Keep liking, keep commenting if you do. If you don't, then you don't have to. It's just an e-bike video. It doesn't, in the grand scheme of things, it's not that important. But yeah, I appreciate everybody. If you are looking to purchase a rad, there's a link in the description for $50 off. If you click that link, it gives me a gift card for $50 and you get $50 off your order. So if you're looking to buy a rad, like a rad runner, and you want to go off-roading like I just did, then go right ahead. Click the link. Yeah, I would appreciate it. Hey, who are you? Who are you? Go home. Go home, please. Go home. Please go home. I don't know where you live. I don't recognize you. A one-eyed chihuahua. Old chihuahua. Sitting here barking at me. Hi, buddy. Please go home. His hackles are up. Oh, I know. You're tough. Oh, he's coming after me.